Ay, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who
We live in a world that has seen some of the most advanced audio devices ever made, and the innovation isn't slowing down. Among all these, one of the most sophisticated creations we have today is the in ear audio device. Compact, personal, powerful. They give you that theater like Dolby experience without disturbing anyone around you. They protect your privacy, keeps your call discreet, and give you music on the go just the way you like it. Hello, namaste, sat shri akal, adab, mere dosto. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to give you my detailed review of using AirPods 4 for a month. There are just so many factors, so many preferences when it comes to choosing earphones or headphones, and the options in the market endless. I have personally tried a lot. Wired, wireless, budget, mid-range, over-ear, in-ear, you name it. And honestly, for the longest time, I believed headphones were the best options for crisp, full-body sound until I got my hands on the AirPods 4. And after using them for more than a month, I can confidently say they are as close to a perfect audio device as I have ever used. Here's what I always wanted in my ideal earphones. True wireless mobility, great sound with balanced bass, strong and seamless connectivity, broad compatibility across devices, solid battery backup, and a reliable microphone. AirPods 4 tick every single one of these boxes. Mobility is where AirPods shine. No wires, no bulk, no discomfort. I can carry them in my pocket, wear them while walking, working, or even working out. And I have even tried using it at more practical places and situations. Something I could never enjoy with over-ear headphones. So now let's talk about the compatibility. When I wear glasses, headphones instantly feel clumsy. There's a pressure on the sides and after a while it gets uncomfortable. With AirPods, no such issue. When I am working out, headphones feel heavy and sweaty. AirPods light, stable and barely noticeable. Even styling wise, headphones can be loud and poppy while AirPods blend in seamlessly with any look. Now, connectivity is another game changer. With AirPods 4, switching between my iPhone, MacBook, and computer is effortless. The ecosystem integration is on another level. With headphones, I always had to manually reconnect or deal with delays. AirPods, just pop them in and I am connected instantly. And here's the biggest blessing, the microphone. We don't often think about it, but having a good mic in your earphones is crucial. Whether it's a phone call or a Zoom meeting or recording quick audio notes, clarity matters. Most headphones, even the premium ones, compromise on mic quality. With AirPods 4, my voice comes out clear, natural, and crisp. No muffled sound, no distortion. I was about to text you. I am not available till 15th. Then I am available between 15th to 20th. Then again, 20th to 25th, I am occupied. So either we can plan it between 15th to 20th or post 25th. Convenience is another area where AirPods 4 pull ahead. You just open the case and they are ready. No pressing multiple buttons, no bulky carrying case, no wires to detangle. And the battery backup solid enough for long work days, workouts and commute. Plus the fast charging feature saves you when you are in a rush. So after using AirPods 4 for over a month, I can honestly say this is the closest I have come to my definition to the perfect audio device. Great sound, great bass, flawless connectivity, top-notch compatibility, solid battery life, and a surprisingly good mic. If you are someone who values mobility, comfort, and clear calls while not compromising on sound, AirPods 4 are absolutely worth it. At the end of the day, audio devices are personal, but for me, AirPods 4 are not just another pair of earphones. They have become my daily essential. So if you have been using AirPods or are considering them, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Thank you so much.
Cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it.